Yes, they actually did make a car called a Marlin, and this is one of them. I can't remember if it's a 64 or 65, but I can double check. Rambler. AMC, Rambler, Nash, well, it was just Rambler back then. They made this car, and they were really neat cars. I'm not just saying that because I have one for sale, but they really are cool cars. This video is going to be a little odd because I normally don't do it with a car so taken apart, but you'll see why I'm doing it in a minute because of how solid this car is. Might as well show you what it's like with it halfway apart. A couple cool things about this car. Pretty straight up front. So again, an Arizona car. Very solid. A lot of surface rust. The windshield is missing. But if you look under the hood, it's a 6-cylinder. The original color was that blue right there, which if you notice, the frame rails are very solid. And then someone had painted it this other blue, you see there. There's our VIN tag. Tell you what year it is? But so they repainted it this blue. And there's your battery tray. I have no idea if the 6-cylinder is any good. I was gonna check it, but honestly I don't think anybody cares. And they might, but I don't think they're gonna care. Under the hood. This side's really straight, and I can't really show you that well because it is against the wall. But it's very straight here. It's not a surface rust on the roof. So what the guy started doing years ago, oh, very cool, period correct slots. So what the guy started doing years ago, I'll take you here to the back, I'll show you. Can I close the hood? Am I done looking under the hood? Are we done listening to the band? No, we're not done listening to the band. Oh, this car's got power brakes, power steering. I don't see any remnants of AC. It has a broken hood hinge. But this car, you're gonna freak out, watch out. The thing's got factory disc brakes on the front. How freaking cool is that? Factory disc brakes. It's actually a very rare option back in the 60s, especially early 60s like this car. So anywho, you can see around the windshield frame is solid. Dash is cracked. Let's look inside real quick and then I'll show you some more. Gauges. Power brakes. The floors, I just kind of like rinsed them off so they're still a little wet. But it's amazing just how solid the floors are on this car. It's had all the carpet and everything out for years. No rust inside the door jambs. I do have a lot of the missing stuff I'll show you here in a second that you don't see in the video so far. There's the tag. There's under the door. Rockers are all nice. Dog legs. So here, the guy looks like he started stripping it with paint stripper. And you can see like how it streaked it. So they started stripping it. It was blue and white originally, of course, two-tone. That's the way they did them back then. Good glass. A lot of surface rust here at best. There's the trunk lid. I'm going to actually try to bolt it on before I ship it or sell it. I think it'd be easier to ship that way. I just need to find some bolts. But inside the trunk's actually really nice. That's water because I just rinsed it out. But I thought there's rear deck speakers. How freaking cool is that fiberglass deck? This car really was kind of pretty ahead of its time, I swear, it really was. I do have the tail lights. Got those in a box somewhere in the chrome trim. So speaking of chrome trim, See all this? Yeah. It's a lot of chrome stainless that comes with the car. I believe we probably have at least 80%, if not more. The long piece for around the tail thing, the trunk. I'm gonna kind of rinse it all off and put it back inside here when I'm done. But this side is just as straight as the other side. Actually, this side's probably straighter because look on this side, it's really nice. A lot of surface rust from stripping it and not covering it. But this side here has a little dent. The other side doesn't even have that. So, nevertheless, gas cap, that's pretty unique. And so you got an automatic transmission, wipers, AM radio, really cool speaker package shelf back there for the radio. Those have to be factory speaker setups. They have to be. I can't. They're just too nice. Alright, so I got those door panels. The floors, again, these floors are amazing. You're going to love them. You're going to love everything about the floors. So, the front seats. Right here. I got both core front seats. There's the back seat. That's the original material, too. That's the original white. So this thing was blue and white with a white interior. And you saw all the chrome trim. It's got the dish mags all the way around. That's the brake booster, I'm sorry, brake master. There are your door panels. So if you need like trim off it, all this will come with the car. So you can make your new patterns and make your new door panels. I would say it's probably 70% all there for you. I'm just going to carefully put all this stuff back inside the car. But yeah, 1964 5 Marlin. I do have a title on it. It's actually a New Mexico title. Imagine that, right? Hopefully you get to see in the picture with the sun not in your... So there you go. There's your Marlin. Let's see if we can get a better shot. Ooh, race car. All these race cars. Again, all the other glass, okay, that vent glass on the other side is missing. The windshield's missing. Rest of the glass is all there. Door is great. Rockers are great. There you go. You see it's down. Very straight car. Front disc brakes. And see the discus? See the disc? See it? See the caliper? Let's look up inside there. Very solid car. If you want a killer Marlin builder, this is your killer Marlin builder car, folks. I've only found one other one of these cars in like the last 5 years. And really hard to find these days. A lot of them just got trashed or crushed. Again, trunk lid. I think it's got one dent in the trunk lid. I love that emblem. The trunk lid. And the Four Seasons. Oodles of trim. And then I do have the taillight. I do not have the rear bumper though. I've got the taillights. No rear bumper. Look under here. And they're getting ready to paint it. So it wasn't like it was crashed. I don't know what they did with the bumper though. They lost it. There's your gas tank. So anyway, here's your extra stuff that all comes with it. That's not shown inside the car. I'll set it in there. I'm going to set it in there tonight. And I hope you enjoy the video. Hope you enjoy the car. These are pretty rare cars. And can't think of anything else. One last look. Okay, one last look. Fine. So again, this grill's pretty nice shape. This side's just as nice as the other side. Okay, Four Seasons. Yeah, who loves the Four Seasons? Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out our Marlin. And I can't jack it up right now, but kind of tell under here. Very solid frame rails. And that's all we get around here, solid Arizona cars, New Mexico Southwest cars. So our feedback speaks for itself. After 15 years of selling on eBay. Thanks for watching, guys. Girls, folks, everyone.